Okay guys, I'm here ready to do my third COVID test. So uncomfortable. But you'll get to see me do it this third time, all right? Oh my gosh. Hated it. But gotta do it, right? Gotta do it. Okay guys, here she comes. What am I have to sign? I have to sign something.
Hey, can I get you to sign the date right here, please?
Okay. Thank you.
So you're gonna go ahead and do everything.
That I know.
Can I get your book onto the floor? Okay, that is it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. So uncomfortable. Oh God. Oh my God. So uncomfortable. Oh. Guys, it's over. I'm gonna be sneezing like crazy. OMG. Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's over. All right, guys, I'm on my way to find a box for my ballot so I can drop it off. Oh my gosh, it's so uncomfortable. I'll probably end up at the post office. All right. See you in a minute, guys. Oh, but wait. I have to stop at the 99-cent store. I need something from the 99-cent store. Ah. So today I'm going to get a free wash, I think, because my card is full. Let me hear what she said. Is it her or a guy? Oh, hi. Just a wash. Is it a free day? Yeah, thank you. Be safe. Free car wash day. Yay, yay, yay. All right. I love going through the car wash. All right. I'm getting quite a few things done today. Then I'm gonna stop and get some gas before I go and drop off my ballot. And then I head home. But guys, let's go through the car wash together, all right? All right, let me show you guys. Come on, turn around, camera. Let's go through the car wash together, guys. Here it comes. Woohoo! Like a kid. Go to the room. What's going on in the back? Woo! What are we missing? Over there. Come on, water's coming down. See, I'm like a kid going through the car wash, right? And it's a free wash day! Yay!
Let's leave it dark.
Now it's rinse time. See, baby, I take care of you, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go into the post office to see if they're taking my ballot. Oh, he said he told him. Where can I drop this? Thank you so much. That was quick. Ballot's gone. I voted, guys. I just dropped my ballot off. And I made sure I drop it at the post office. So I know that it's there. I'm back home. Thank you for hanging out with me today. It was fun. Oh, no, not all fun, right? The test. Bye-bye. Mwah.